Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this delicious shawarma recipe. I made this chicken shawarma recipe with naan bread. So today I would like you to see another kind of bread that you can use to make your shawarma recipe. Stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, for my chicken, this is my marinade. I have pineapple here. I have my lemon here. I have my onion, I have some cloves, I have some red scotch bonnet, I have turmeric, I have ginger, and I have some green chilies. So these are all I'm going to be using for my chicken marinade. This is how I like to go about my my chicken, especially when I want to enjoy shawarma recipe. So you can choose to go this route or you can go the other route. Okay, it's optional, but this is Gucci's recipe. When I crave for shawarma, I want to eat shawarma the way that I will be able to enjoy. So all of this will be going for my chicken marinade. So I'm going to go ahead and blend and add all my dried ingredients. So I'm going to go in with all of this. I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of shawarma seasoning, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of my salt to taste, a tablespoon of my Maggi seasoning. This is chicken seasoning. I'm going to add some oil. This is to enable me blend. You can go ahead and add water if you choose to. I'm going to blend. This is what it looks like after blend. I'm going to still use some for my shawarma proper. I make sure I boil out the preservative from my chicken before I use it for any recipe. That is what I've done. I'm going to rinse this. So guys, for my sausage, this is what I like to use. I like to eat the sausage. I like this quality. So you can go ahead and use any sausage of your choice, okay? But this is what I'm going to be using. So here is my chicken. I like to marinate my sausage also together with my chicken. So you can go ahead and use any chicken of your choice. Chicken breast, chicken thigh, whatever part of chicken you have, go ahead. I'm going to go in with some lemon. And here is our marinade. I'm going to go in with my marinade like so. Like I said, I'll be using some also for my shawarma proper. Rub it in like so. Let's make sure everything gets into your chicken. How do you like to eat your shawarma? Would you want to go this way? When I crave for certain food, I want to enjoy it very healthy, very delicious. Try this and let me know in the comment section. Put it here, because here I'm going to be grilling that delicious marinade with those pineapples, with those cloves, with those lemon, with the turmeric, ginger, and all those beautiful herbs. You are sure you are eating a very healthy shawarma. Look at that, guys. I'm going to set it in the oven because I'm not about to waste time here. You can decide to leave it for 1 hour if you have that time. So guys, this is the same chicken marinade. I'm going to put it in the oven and allow it to grill for some minutes. I'm going to use this together with my mayonnaise. I'm going to put this in. It's our chicken. I've gone ahead to flip it to the other side. I'll allow it to cook well. I'm using cucumber. I went in with red onion. You can choose not to add. It's optional. You can choose to add onion. You can choose to add cucumber. It's your choice. I've gone in with my cabbage. And guys, here is my carrots. I'm going to mix all of this together. Go ahead, mix your choice of vegetables like so. Make sure it is properly combined. Yeah, you can use any vegetable of your choice. Go in with some lemon. If you like lime, you can still go ahead and add lime. Okay, just go in with your lemon and then set this aside. As you can see, guys, our chicken is nicely grilled. This is how you want it to look. It's looking so delicious, smell amazing. I'll allow this to cool up nicely, then I'll shred it into pieces. So guys, this is just me showing you the breading you can use for shawarma in case you don't have shawarma breading anywhere you are. You can also use naan breading. Yeah, naan is one of those Indian bread. Here I have my mayonnaise. I'm going to go in with my ketchup. I'm going to go in with my jalapeno, guys. It's just for spice sake. If you don't eat spicy, you can just skip it completely. I like spicy food. I'm going to go in with some of my marinade, guys, just because I want that taste in here. It is optional, guys. Go in with your sriracha sauce. You can go in with your honey mustard, but this is what I want to go in with. All you need to do is to mix. Remember, in this sauce, I have turmeric, I have ginger, and I have all of those good stuffs for health reason. I have my pineapples, lemon. You can choose to add any cream of your choice. Just make sure it's delicious. Make sure it's healthy. This is how I love to enjoy my shawarma. Would you like to try this? Or would you want to just go ahead with a regular shawarma mixture? If you have time, go about it this way. You are going to enjoy your shawarma. I went ahead to bake my sauce for a little bit. The same marinade I used for my chicken, I went ahead to bake it for a little bit in the oven for about 10 minutes, and it came out so nice and delicious. I also added some white vinegar. Go in with some lemon juice. Lemon juice, white vinegar, it gave it a very delicious sour taste that you will really love. Mix everything together. Make sure you have it nicely mixed. Have you ever tried this sort of shawarma sauce? I'm telling you, try this, you will love it. Gucci steam, you will love. It tastes so unique, like it has this sour taste. Oh my goodness, this is so good, guys. We'll start mixing. I'll be using this stone fire authentic flatbread. This is the closest of what I used to see around, so you can go ahead and use this. I have really craved for shawarma, and I have to use whatever bread around to do it. If you can get shawarma wrap where you are very easily, it's almost the same thing as shawarma wrap, but it's just a little lighter. So I'm going to get started. It's about mine. You can add hot dog if you like. This is it. So this is the one I already warmed that I'm eating. See how delicious. So I'm just going to wrap this up. It's almost like shawarma. Look at that. Can you see? Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to wrap one more for myself. Only different is the breading. The breading is different. You can add a lot of this, you can decide not to. So I'm just going to add all of these good stuffs. Look at that. Guys, it tastes so fantastic. The sauce, I feel like licking it up, right? It's so good. So go like this. So you can choose to add hot dog, you can choose not to. Okay, so I'm just going to wrap this up quickly. Just a different bread. It is called naan bread. You will love it, guys, trust me. Bring it together like this. Go like this. Bring this back. Yeah, you see, just the same way you hold your shawarma. Look at that, guys. Isn't that delicious? You see what I'm saying? Guys, it tastes so fantastic. Try this, guys. Can you see how juicy, guys? But the only difference here is the breading. The breading is the only different thing, because that's what I have right now. But I'm going to show you my shawarma breading. I'll show you my shawarma breading recipe. But yeah, for me, if I want to eat shawarma and I don't have breading already, this is what I do. Because I don't see shawarma breading in the store. So anytime I go to the store, I look for shawarma breading. I've never seen it. All the stores I go to, I haven't seen shawarma breading. Just that the Indians eat it in a different way. But you can still use it to eat your shawarma if you crave for shawarma like me. I like my shawarma very juicy. Like very, very juicy. Are you like me? I like juicy shawarma, trust me. And I like to have my own favorite vegetables. And I just like to mix my sauce with vegetable. I do not like those sauce like honey mustard. I don't like honey mustard. There's some sauce that I really do not like. I rather use vegetable and make my sauce and enjoy it. It makes me want to throw up. When I use honey mustard, I feel like throwing up. There are some things I don't eat actually. So that's why you see me, I like to make my own sauce and enjoy it. So I'm about to go and enjoy this goodness. I just wanted to show you guys. Isn't this awesome? It's so good. Like I have finished it on